Hello, Group 1. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I am very glad that I help you out in some manner, either by sharing some information or giving the tarot card messages reading. Okay, so this is your messages from the divine and the angels for the month of December 2021 for group 1. So I'm going to do the reading from the group 1 to group 7. So there will be 7 readings, 7 groups. Okay, so you can choose any group from number 1 to number 7 according to your intuition. Okay, you can choose more than one group if you want to. So choose any group, whatever you are getting the intuition accordingly, and take the messages, whatever messages you are receiving from the angels and the universe and the divine, and leave the rest which is not applying according to your situation. So you can leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start the reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for group 1 from the divine, from the angels. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for group 1 for the month of December 2021. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. One message which I received for you while doing the meditation is there is lot of yellow energy around yourself, around your life. So maybe your solar plexus chakra is getting activated, and yellow also represents sun. So there are lot of new happy beginnings and the blessings which are coming up for you in the month of December. Okay, so let's start and let's see what are the messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for group 1? Please give me the messages for group 1. Please give me one more message. Please give me one more message for group 1 for the month of December. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one more message. Wow. Okay. So I received 2 messages from the angels for you. First message is angel of wealth. There is financial flow comes easily to you. So there is a lot of abundance which is coming up for you here in the month of December. And that's the message angel of wealth is giving you, group 1, that there is a lot of financial flow which is coming very easily to you. The second message is your calling. Your life purpose is an awakening to put your gifts and talent to good use and enjoy the journey of your life. So your life purpose is there, and you have to use your gifts, your knowledge, your wisdom to complete or to start your life purpose here and enjoy the life. So you have to start doing your life purpose, and okay, and you have to start using your gifts, your knowledge and wisdom to spread light, love and happiness. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from the fairy. This is beautiful. Okay, please give me messages for group 1. Here the weather is very beautiful. I can say that there is lot of wind which is going on. Okay, please give me messages for group 1. One more message for group 1. So you can ask angels for help. Okay, angels are celestial beings who protect everyone, and the fairies say now it's the time for you to ask for any angelic assistance. If you want any kind of angelic help, even if you are not able to understand that what's your life purpose, what you have to do, how you can start your life purpose, how you can use your gifts and knowledge, angels are here for your help, and they are asking you to call them out so that they can help you out. Okay, then there is tree wisdom. This tree dried will help you navigate through your current situation. Her flute can reveal insights and answers through the sound it makes. So you can spend some time in nature. Okay, so the nature will help you out in moving in a forward direction. Okay, and listen to the sound of flute or the music, and there is a lot of music of flute which is available on the YouTube here. Okay, so this is the messages here I'm having. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from the spell casting oracle deck. Please give me messages for group 1. Please give me messages for group 1 for the month of December, which is important to deliver. What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow, fertility, blessings and career. Okay, there is a closure which is happening here for you. I'm going to take these two more because they're asking me to take the cards. So I'm going to take these two also, the bottom of the deck. Okay, first of all, there is celebration. Your spirit needs to play and have fun. So do something which feeds your soul. Okay, your spirit wants to have fun, so just go out and have some fun here. That's the message. Do some celebration here, do something which feeds your soul. And there is a lot of magical blessings which are coming up for you. Whatever you are going through, you are being assisted by the magical fairy blessings. The fairy says you can bless others too. So there is a lot of blessings which are coming up for you here, so you can also bless others. Just open up to receive these blessings, because beautiful blessings are coming up for you here. And there is a lot of green energy is here, so you can spend some time in nature. And also your heart chakra activation, so you have to do your heart chakra activation. Okay, there is fertility and there is career, so you are going to get new opportunities in career here. That's why the message was angel of wealth. There is a lot of financial abundance which are coming up for you. Maybe new job, a new business opportunity or new business idea. Okay, so there is lot of abundance which is coming up for you in the month of December in terms of career, in terms of financial flow. Okay, and the next message is fertility. So you are giving birth, you are rising as an empress, and now you have the energy of giving birth to a new idea, birth to a new career, birth to a child. Okay, birth to anything. Right now you have the power to create something new, to give birth to something new. So this is very beautiful, because here you are rising as an empress. So this is beautiful. Let me add one soul lesson for you. What is the soul lesson for group 1? Okay, so the message is death. This is death and rebirth energy, that whatever is ending in your life, you have to learn that endings are the start of new beginnings. Okay, ending are merely beginnings of new things. So whatever is ending in your life, it is the starting of something new, because this is the death and rebirth energy, transformation. Okay, so ending is the beginning of something new. So this is very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Krishna consciousness. Please give me one message for group 1. What is the message you want me to deliver for group 1? Please give me one message. Too many messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. See, that's what the message is. There is new beginnings which is coming up for you here. See, transformation, blessings. Definitely there is lot of blessings which are coming up for you here. Okay, just open up to receive here. There is lot of blessings which are coming up for you. 10 is a recording reading time. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 10. Okay, 10 and 10. Okay. So the message is this card brings blessings. So there is lot of blessings which are coming up for you in the month of December. You have to make the right choice. Be humble in all you do. Vanity breeds sickness. Make the right choice. Maybe you have to make some kind of choice. So whatever choice you are making, you have to make the right choice. Okay. Then the message is transformation. Bring about the change that comes with destruction and sow the seeds now for the future. You are definitely going through a process of death and rebirth here. Okay, so you have to go through a process of ending cycles, ending relationships, maybe ending career. But you have to understand one thing, that whatever is ending in your life, this is the starting, this is the beginning of new things, because you are going through a process of death and rebirth, a process of transformation. These things are helping you out in transforming into beautiful butterfly. So this is beautiful message. Now let's see messages from lovers of oracle. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me one message for group 1. Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Wow, definitely you are going through a process of transformation. Your relationship, see, transformation. 11:55 is a recording reading time. So you are going through a process of transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to get deepened. Love conquers and transform everything. So you are going through a process of transformation. Transformation in relationship, transformation in career. So this is a transformation which is taking place in your relationship, in your career, in the month of December here. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see one message from the animal spirit. Please give me one message for group 1. There is always enough. Koi fish spirit. Okay, there is always enough for everyone here. So there is always enough. That's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add message from the surrender cards. What is the thing which you need to surrender? What is the thing group 1 needs to surrender? Please give me one message. What is the thing they need to surrender for group 1? Surrender your addictions. Okay. Whether you are addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overworking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So you have to surrender your addictions, whatever addictions you are having, addiction to substances, addiction to people, or addiction to work, okay, or overworking. So you have to surrender your addictions here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one life purpose for group 1. Please give me one life purpose for the group 1. Light and love. See, this was the message from the angels that you have to do your life purpose. 14:14 is a recording reading time. You have to start doing the life purpose here, and your life purpose is light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. So start doing your life purpose as soon as possible, as your soul is calling you to start doing your life purpose. And your life purpose is to bring light and love to the world. And this is what I told you in the beginning only. Okay. So this is very beautiful message here. Let me make some space here. Okay. So you are going through a process of transformation here. You have to start working your life purpose here. Okay. Then let me add some tarot messages. What is the messages for the group 1 here? Two of Cups energy is here. Okay. What is the tarot messages? Please give me the messages for group 1. Please give me the messages for group 1. Please give me the messages. 7 of Wands. Justice. See, Temperance is here again. 1555 is a recording reading time. So right now maybe you are guarding yourself here. 3 of Wands. Let me see more messages first. 10 of Cups. This is beautiful. Maybe you are going through some kind of conflicts right now in your relationship here. Okay, group 1, and that's why your self-defensive mode is on and you are protecting yourself and your energy. You are not ready to open up emotionally. Okay, but there is a justice which is going to be served in your case here. Right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience, and you are keeping it. I know that. This is a karmic justice which is going to serve in your case here, because you are rising here. Can you see how this girl is climbing the ladders here? Okay, she is climbing the ladders. So this is a ascension, a transformation which is happening for you in the month of December. This relationship is helping you out into transformation in your soul's growth, into moving in a forward direction. And there is 10 of Cups energy, happy family, happy life. So this is, you are going through, maybe you are going to start a new family, a marriage, happy family, happy life. Okay, in the month of December here. Any other message? Any other message for group 1? Wow, Empress. You are definitely rising as an Empress here, because you are coming into your highest power, the fertility, the Empress. Okay, group 1, you are rising as an Empress, and that's very beautiful. Okay, that's why the transformation is taking place for you. Okay, now let me add some messages from the astrology deck. There is a karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Okay, right now you have to keep temperance. You are moving in a forward direction here towards the happy family, happy life, because you are feeling very joyful, very content. You are happy from inside, and that's very important. You are rising as an Empress. You are very motherly, very caring, very nurturing figure here. You are giving birth, okay, to new things, new ideas. The goddess within, your secret spiritual center and quiet dignity. Maybe some of you here, see, this is your Empress energy, the goddess within you. You are now connecting within your own goddess within yourself. Okay, and some of you, you are here, there is a fire element here. So maybe the group which is the group 1 is the Leo energy. Okay, there is a lot of fiery energy which is present here. Okay, fire signs can be possible. Maybe you are a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, any other message for group 1? Or maybe there is an earth sign, Taurus or Capricorn here. Okay, let me see more messages from the astrology deck only. What are the messages you want me to deliver for the group 1? They can be an earth sign here, Taurus, Capricorn, okay, or they can be a fire sign, Leo, okay, or they can be an Aquarius here, 2002. Aquarius can be possibility here. Mercury is here, so this is think, learn, network and communicate. So whatever communication you are doing, you have to think about it, and you are learning through your experiences here, okay. So think, learn and network and communicate. Then communicate whatever you are communicating around yourself, okay. See, fire signs are here definitely. Again, bottom of the deck I'm having Capricorn, so there is definitely Capricorn energy which is present here, okay. They can be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The fire signs are here. They can be a Cancer here too, okay. So you have to nurture yourself, the comfort, the protection. You are right now very you're very optimistic, you are exploring yourself, you are enjoying your freedom here. And this is Neptune, dream and transcend, okay. This is Neptune, dream and transcend. Let me read it out, the Neptune here, and then I'm going to close out your reading. This is very beautiful reading here. I love it. What does Neptune do here? So this is Neptune which is helping you out to help you. This Neptune is helping you out in spiritual lesson, okay. So this is more, your angels are invite you to get lost in your imagination with the wonders of a child. With curiosity, explore energy work and spiritual modalities, deepen your connection to the divine, engage in acts of selfless service and feel your interconnectedness. The ethical realms communicate through your subconscious, so honor your dreams and write it down. So maybe you are receiving some messages while you sleep. So maybe this is possible that you are receiving the messages when you sleep through your dreams. There can be an earth sign here. So there is an earth sign here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and this is fire sign here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they can be a Cancer or an Aquarius, okay. So this was your reading. Follow your intuition, follow your dreams, pay attention to your dreams, and see what your dreams is trying to say to you. You can write down these dreams in the journal and decode those messages which you are receiving when you are in a dream state, okay. So this is very beautiful messages for my group 1. I hope I help you out in some manner, okay. So you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, okay. So lovely reading for you. There is Empress energy. You are rising as an Empress here. You are moving in a forward direction. Some of you are going to start a new family, happy life here. Now let's close your reading with this deck. Let's see what this deck wants to give you a message. Please give me message for group 1. Card. One more. Please give me one more message. Okay. So this is a card. This means that you are starting a new journey, a new chapter in your life. You are moving in a forward direction here. That's thank you, and that's the D end. Okay, whenever the D end in this deck comes, that means that's all. That's the only message you are having. So maybe you are going through some kind of journey and you are traveling somewhere. That can also be a possibility with your partner, with your friends, with someone here, and you will feel very much happy and you will say thank you, or your partner will say thank you, okay. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all those who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, group 1, and see you soon.